What's up everyone? Today we are doing Boxycharm versus Boxycharm Premium. Are you ready? Let's do this. If you didn't know, Boxycharm is a beauty box subscription service where you can pay a little bit of money and get a lot of value a lot of the time. Boxycharm has done some upgrades recently, so now they have 3 different levels. They have Boxycharm, which is $25, which is the basic box, but you always get over $100 worth of value. We have Boxycharm Premium, which is going to be $35 and usually around $175 plus. And then basically every 3 months you have the option of upgrading your Boxycharm to a Boxy Luxe and pay an additional fee so that you can get a box that is worth around $250 plus. So we have 2 boxes this month because it is not a Boxy Luxe month. So this month I will be comparing the base box, which is the $25 box, versus the $35 box, and I will give you my opinions on which one I think is a better value or which one I think is more worth it, right? So let's go ahead and get started with the basic box. Like I said, $25 a month. This month's theme is breaking the ice. So when I see that, I think like winter favorites, so hydration or stuff like that. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I see is a big old box. This is from Too Faced, so how cool is that? This is the Diamond Light Diamond Fire Highlighter. Okay, so this is a big box, and Too Faced is a really expensive brand, so I'm excited to see, oh, there's tape on it. Okay, one second. I'm excited to see this in the box. This one is in Canary Diamond, and it says, "It's your time to shine." It says in the box, "It's your time to shine." Now, one thing about this, I will say, although it's beautiful, the packaging is really, really bulky. So this is not going to be very travel friendly, but it sure is beautiful. It's one of those things that it's going to be really pretty on your display for your vanity. But it has a little clasp open here. So if you open it up, woo, oh my goodness. Okay, so this is the highlighter inside. So it looks like it's more of a baked highlighter, and I don't know if you can see it, but it kind of has a raised surface here. And this one is in Canary, I think. So it's got like kind of a gold but a very yellow shift. It reminds me a tiny bit of like Trophy Wife by Fenty. So it has a little bit of that color on it. It looks really beautiful and I'm excited to try this out. So yeah, this is Canary Diamond and you get 12 grams of product in here. So this guy is worth, I will go over all of this at the end. This guy's worth $36. I don't know if I would pay $36. I think you're pushing it there because that's a pretty expensive highlighter. I think like 25 would be a little bit more in line, especially because you can get some of those highlighter palettes, you know, like the Anastasia ones for not too much more than 36, right? But I think this is really, really pretty, so I'm excited to try that out. The next thing that's in here, this is from Avant, and it's a shea butter rice bran, some stuff I can't pronounce. Sorry, I just can't. It's an 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. So I like that it's in a squeezy tube because I do always like that. Better than a jar where you have to go in and scrape it out. And that guy right there, oh, holy moly. This says it is MSRP for $107. This thing's $100? It better be amazing because the packaging is not very amazing. That's my dog. Sorry. I'm filming a video here. Okay, you're forgiven. He's so cute. He's so cute. Okay, I don't know if I would pay $107 for this. I could definitely try this out for a little while and then update the description box and let you know, but I don't know if anything's worth $100 that comes in a package like this. Okay, so the next thing that's in here, this is from Manicadar. And Manicadar, I remember I had something a million years ago from them. They were in like a birch box, I think. And it was like this eyeshadow and it came completely shattered. I remember I used it in a video on like how to repress makeup. So I always remember that name. It always sticks out in my head. So they've been in subscription boxes for a while because that was a good 3-4 years ago when that happened. But this is the Lip Whip in Hope. So that's really cool. I love a lip product, so we will give that a shot. And this guy, let's see, how much does that refill for? $21. Really? $21? Okay, I don't know. Who makes up these prices, right? Okay, there's another thing in here. Ooh, this is from Dr. Brandt. So I happen to love Dr. Brandt stuff. They have that 3D filler, like face lotion, which is amazing and makes your skin feel so plump and youthful. I've loved that forever. So this is the 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream. Love a retinol. Okay, MSRP on this is $55. Now, I'm not surprised because Dr. Brandt stuff is very expensive, but again, $55 for any, like an eye cream. It's nice packaging. I like that it has a squeezy tube. Let me see here. Oh, it's got like a little pointed applicator. Okay. All right, so I will give that a shot as well and let you know how that works. I gotta say, sometimes Boxycharm really has like these eye products that are really, really expensive. So last month, I think in maybe the BoxyLuxe box, they gave us the QMS eye serum, and that was $150. And I don't even know if I believe that, but I will certainly try it out and compare it even against this one to see. I think that's a crazy amount to spend on an eye cream, but that's just me. Okay, the last thing that's in here, this is the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Gommage. What? I think it's face wash, right? Yeah, it's a face. What is gommage? What? Like, who's using that terminology? Okay, and MSRP on this is $28. So face wash, $28. There you go. At least this one is 5 ounces. So that's a good amount of product. Let me see. Oh, it's all, I can't even tell you if it has a smell. It's all still depth. All right, so that was the BoxyLuxe Basic Box, $25. I gotta say, I'm not mad at that box. That's a good box for all of that. And I'm going to do a running total here for you and let you know here how much this box is worth. Definitely if I saw all this stuff on a shelf and they said, hey, you can get all this stuff for $25, do you want it? I would be like, yes, take my credit card. So we're gonna switch and we're gonna go into the Boxy Premium box. Let's go ahead and get into it. Same theme, right? But this box is supposed to be worth a little bit more money and you pay $35 for it. So far, I have been really, really impressed with it. Like a couple months ago, there was a Natasha Denona blush palette in there, and Natasha Denona is not cheap. So I've been really impressed with some of the products I've seen in premium so far. So thumbs up for that. I definitely think a lot of the time for $10 more than the base box, worth it. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I see, this is from SkinFix, which I'm really glad to see SkinFix in here. I was introduced to them a couple years ago at Gen Beauty, and they had this calming face wash, and it was really, really good. So I'm really excited to see this. This is called the Barrier Plus Foaming Oil Cleanser. Awesome. So I love SkinFix because, oh, this is really beautiful. One of the things I really like about them is that none of their stuff seems to irritate my skin, and I think they got their start more so when they were, you know, battling against eczema and trying to find products that made it so that it wasn't going to irritate the skin. So a lot of the stuff that I've found from them, I really, really like it, and it's never irritated my skin, which sometimes I can get a little red or irritated from stuff. So really excited to see this. Oh, this is the Best of Beauty Allure Award winner. I could believe that. And this is $28. So one thing with this is 6 fluid ounces. The other one, the Roma, was 5 ounces, and I do believe that I like this product better, so you get more product. You get another ounce, and I like this product. So I think between this and the other one, I would prefer this face wash. So the next thing that's in here, this is definitely one of those Instagram brands. This is the Farsali Liquid Glass, and I really haven't tried anything too much from Farsali, except from what I've gotten into Boxycharm. I think in a Boxycharm a couple months ago, it might have been the Boxy Premium, or sorry, the BoxyLuxe box. They did like a rose gold face mist. So this is that thing, you know, you always see people like dripping it all over their face on Instagram. This is that product. This is that brand. And so I haven't, like I said, I haven't tried much from them, but oh, this is another one of those things you could definitely drip this all over your face. And this guy, I think their stuff's not cheap. I'm sure it's probably 50 bucks here. So it's saying, yep, $54. $54 on this. So I'm really excited to try this out. I will report back. You know what? If you haven't checked it out, Glitter Fallout, who's Linda, who's a friend of mine, I love the way that she does her Boxycharm, because not only does she show you and apply everything from the Boxycharm, she comes back the following month and will tell you updates on what she used, what she liked, and if she thought it was worth it. So if you guys are into Boxycharm reviews like that, I will put a review, her latest review, down in the description box. You can go check her out and tell her I sent you. I love her channel and her Boxycharm reviews. Okay, so the next thing that's in here is going to be from Bliss, and this is the Pore Patrol Deep Detox 4 Clay Souffle Mask. That is a mouth. Who names this stuff? Anyways, Bliss. I haven't tried much from Bliss. This packaging is interesting. So free from parabens, phthalates, SLES, and more. And yeah, Deep Detox 4 Clay Souffle Mask. And this guy is $18. So, I mean, that's a really good price point for as much as you're getting, which is going to be 2 fluid ounces on this. You can open up the packaging here. So it actually is more of like a pump aerosol type of thing. So that's kind of cool. I'm excited to try that out. The next thing that's in here is actually from Too Faced as well. And this is really like sparkly and pretty. And this is an eyeshadow palette. So Too Faced was really like, ooh, I don't know what that was. I think that's the instruction pamphlet. So this one says Palm Springs Dreams. And let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh, look at this. This is really, really pretty. This is really pretty. This actually gives me the vibes of their peach palette, actually. I like the color selection in here. I like this little pop of navy, like denim blue down here. And I like a lot of these brown shades. This is stuff that I would actually wear. And then this pretty gold. This is actually a really cool palette. So I'm excited to try this one out. And then there's actually another product in here. And I believe this is a exclusive. This is Lolita from Kat Von D, which is supposed to match the liquid lipstick that she has that is like the #1 seller, I think, that she has in this color. So this is interesting because I don't think that I've ever seen them do a single eyeshadow like this from one of their lip colors. So this is like kind of a very like pretty cranberry color. Honestly, I'm not like thrilled about it. I'm not thrilled about it only because I don't use a lot of single pot eyeshadows like this. I would much rather have a palette. So having this kind of like run around by itself it's like, it's a nice to have, but it's not like that exciting to me. And there's one last thing in here. Oh, that, let me see. This guy right here, this is $19. Would I buy this for $19? No, I'd actually rather buy like a mini palette for like $20. I don't see the point of like one single eyeshadow. The last thing in here is the best brow kit ever, and this is from Billion Dollar Brows. Now, I have tried this brow, this brow pencil just by itself before, and it's kind of this universal brown. So I would say if you're like dark blonde to kind of brownish hair, you're gonna be fine. It's a little like waxy, it's a good texture, but it's also interesting because they call it the universal color, but if you have like super fair skin or you're red haired or anything like that, there are some people, this is just not going to work for them. Or some people where, you know, you have black eyebrows, this is kind of a little bit warmer brown. So it's for a lot of colors, but it's not for everyone, I guess. And then it also comes in here with a brush, and it comes with a brow gel, and it comes with this guy, which is a dual-ended like highlighter and concealer. So I do like that. So it has like both, so you can kind of clean up around the brow or maybe do a little brow bone highlight. I like that. And this guy is retailing for, let's find it, $42. Wow. Well, I guess because there's 4 different products in here, yeah, I guess that makes sense because one eyebrow pencil could be like $18 and one gel could be like $12 to $15. So yeah, I get it. And so that is what's in the Boxy Premium box. And I will do a little like screen math over here and give you a total for what this box is worth. Thoughts off the bat, I'm going to say that I like the face wash better from this one. Between the Too Faced products, I like the palette better than I like the one single highlighter. I'm not the biggest fan of this eyeshadow, but I am a fan of getting the kit with the brows because I know this color is going to work for me. So between $25 and $35, would I pay $35 for the second box? Yeah, absolutely. Heck yeah, I would. And then between the two, which one do I think is a better value? Honestly, this month I'm going to go ahead and give it to Boxy Premium because even though this is kind of a throwaway product, but I like this palette a lot. I really like the brow stuff a lot, and I really enjoy like the Skin Fix stuff. So I am glad that I have this box for $10 more, but I want to know your opinion. One, do you get Boxycharm or Boxycharm Premium? Let me know down below. And what would be the item that you're most excited to get if you had one of these? Or did you get something else completely in yours? I want to know all the things. Let me know all the things. Comment them down below, and I will see you guys in another video very soon. Bye!